EQ Bank, all that glitters isn't gold? Ever feel like you're constantly bombarded with financial advice? Invest here. Switch banks now. It's enough to make your head spin. But hey, that's why we're here, to navigate the money maze with you. Today's hot topic, EQ Bank. They boast sky-high savings interest rates, but is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's crack open the fine print and see if EQ Bank is truly the golden ticket, or if there are some hidden drawbacks lurking beneath the surface. Cut to screen with title, EQ Bank, Pros and Cons. First things first, EQ Bank is an online-only bank. That means no fancy marble lobbies or friendly tellers. Everything is done digitally, from opening an account to transferring funds. Now, for some folks, this is a dream come true. Convenience at your fingertips. But for others, the lack of a physical presence can be a major turnoff. Imagine needing a quick emergency cash withdrawal. With EQ Bank, you're out of luck. Their card operates more like a prepaid card, requiring funds to be preloaded before use. Another potential sticking point, account limitations. EQ Bank keeps things simple, offering primarily savings accounts and GICs. That's fantastic for building your nest egg, but what if you need a checking account for everyday transactions? You'll need to maintain a separate account with another bank. This can feel clunky, juggling multiple logins and potentially incurring additional fees. EQ Bank, interest rates. Alright, so far, it seems EQ Bank might not be the one-stop shop some might hope for. But wait! Here's where they truly shine, interest rates. Compared to traditional banks, EQ Bank offers significantly higher rates on their savings accounts. That means your money can actually grow at a decent clip, which is music to most ears. However, it's important to remember that these rates aren't guaranteed forever. They can fluctuate with the market, so be prepared for potential adjustments. Limited features aside, there are a couple of other things to consider. EQ Bank has a maximum deposit limit for their savings accounts. This might not be a concern for everyone, but for high savers, it could be a roadblock. Additionally, transferring funds out of your EQ Bank account can take a few business days. This isn't ideal if you need immediate access to your cash. EQ Bank, is it right for you? So, the big question, is EQ Bank right for you? If you're a tech-savvy saver who prioritizes high interest rates and a simple online platform, then EQ Bank could be a great fit. But if you value the security of a physical branch, the flexibility of a checking account, or instant access to your cash, then you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the choice depends on your individual needs and banking habits. Remember, there's no such thing as a perfect bank, and EQ Bank is no exception. It has its strengths, stellar interest rates, and a user-friendly interface, but also some limitations, like the lack of physical branches and a wider range of account options. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and pick the bank that best suits your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking!